Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placement. So, this is your love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, and yeah, if you wanna try na magpa-reading sa aking friend, lagi naman siyang open. Oo. So, ang kanyang name is Perception of Light. Yan, sa kanya pong FB page. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to follow na rin ang kanyang FB page. Okay? And yes, regarding sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet and sa ating Evil Eye ring, lagi po silang available. Okay? Lagi silang available. Pero kailangan batch. Oo, hindi natin kaya ng palaging hindi natin kaya yung yung bultuhan. Ang hirap, oo. So, yeah, oo. So, tingnan natin kung kakayanin pa, no? Well, kung may mga tanong po, no? Lagi tayong magme-message na lang sa atin pong FB page. Okay? Akin pong FB page ay Fias Taro, no? So, yun din naman ang nakalagay sa ating channel. So, kokopyahin nyo na lang. Okay? Okay. So, Aris, who is the person on your mind? Yes, this is the person on your mind. For mid-December love read. Who is the person on your mind, Aris? Anong meron? The Page of Cups in reverse. The immature. The immature water sign. Yeah. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They're bitter. They're bitter. I don't know why. Mas bata sa'yo to. Marami tong gustong malaman sa'yo. Yeah. Marami siyang gustong makita, gustong malaman. Excuse me. Hindi malayong kumukontak sa'yo to. Yes. Or sabihin natin gustong-gusto niya kumontak or kumonek or makipag-usap. Bakit? Anong intention nila? Anong intention ng taong to? Yeah, to know. To know everything. Para masagot yung mga gusto lang masagot. The High Priestess Universe and the Ten of Swords. Some of you pwedeng babalik to para what? Ikaw naman ang i-end niya. Pwede kasing ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay dito sa taong to kaya sila ganito. Okay, Aris? Pwedeng ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay sa kanya. May chance na bumalik ito, makipag-usap. Okay? And then, sila naman ang magka-cut off sa'yo. Intention nila, bumalik, makipag-usap, and then, to cut you off. Yun lang. Okay? Ganun sila. Ano emosyon nila? Tingnan natin. Okay, dalawa. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. So, be careful with this one. Okay, there's manipulation here. And the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Yes. So, hindi to para makipagbalikan. Okay? If ever na mag-reach out to. Hindi to makipagbalikan. Mag-reach out to, kakausapin ka, mahuhook ka naman, ikaw naman ang what? Ika-cut off. Kasi they're bitter. Pwede kasi yun nga sabi ko, ikaw ang nakipag-break or ikaw ang humiwalay sa kanya. Nasasaktan to ngayon. Ha, Aris? Nasasaktan ito ngayon. May chance na gumanti to. Gagantihan ka niya, ikaw naman ang ika-cut off. Okay? Babalik to hindi para makipagrelasyon. Babalik to para maramdaman mo rin yung nararamdaman niya ngayon. Okay? May chance pa na may mangyari ditong make-up sex. Ha? Anong next action niya? Tingnan natin. The Page of Wands in reverse. Yes. To get your attention, pero hindi magle-level up. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit, biglang aalis. Biglang lalayo. Biglang mag-ghost. Okay, sabi ko sa inyo ha. O, ito yun. Okay? They are not emotionally, what? Available. The King of Cups in reverse. They are immature emotionally. Pwedeng Pisces. Anong advice for you, Aries? Para sa mga ganitong kalokohan. Anong advice for you? Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay, and the King of Wands in reverse. The Five of Swords. Bigyan mo ng what? Kasi gusto nila ng kalinawan. Ha? Gusto ng mga to ng kalinawan. Huwag mong ibigay. Just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. No emotions dapat ang mai-involve dito, Aries. Okay? Wag. Iwasan. Ha? Iwasan mo na ma-connect, na ma-attach ka na naman. Okay? Feelings, emosyon, ma-attach na naman. Wag. Dahil hindi naman ito makikipag-balikan. Sasaktan ka lang nito eh. Dahil sila yung nasaktan. This is a revenge, Aries. This is a revenge. Kung ayaw nyo na maranasan, okay, yung ginawa nila or yung ginawa mo sa kanya, you better watch out. You better not cry. Ha? Okay? Pwedeng vice versa, itong reading. Yeah, pwedeng vice versa. They're bitter. They're angry. They're upset. Super. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. They want you. Taurus. Endings. Gemini. Miss opportunity. Cancer. The liar. Leo. They want you. They missed you. Virgo. Ego. Libra. They want to reconnect. They want a partnership. A connection with you. Scorpio. They have feelings. They have emotions for you. They want to express it. Okay? Sagittarius, they want a, sabihin nating, connection emotionally. Okay? Emotional connection. Capricorn, they're not into you. Yeah, they're not into you. Aquarius, they want to talk. They want a communication with you. They want clarity. Pisces, inconsistent. Okay? They're inconsistent. So, there. Yun po ang ating reading for Aries placement. So, yeah. Thank you.